What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax. So, I think my Polygoners, that's what I'm going to call you guys, have missed me a little bit in my comment section. Like, come on, Jax, Polygon, Matic, do an update, bro. So here we are with Polygon. We're down 2% on the day. And then on the 7-day, we're down 6%. So we're going to go over the Twitter. They're always having some awesome, juicy announcements. And then the technical analysis for Polygon. So we're sitting at a $3.91 billion market cap and a 24-hour volume of 463 million. So let's hop over to the Twitter here. So we can see here, when scalability and security is key to the adoption of cryptocurrencies, the partnership of Polygon and Cryption makes perfect sense. They're always having new partnerships. I love it. Right here, hey, Matic enthusiasts, Everstake is happy to be part of such a great project as Polygon as one of the validators. And then we scroll down here. And we can see Poly's app is excited to announce the pre-sale for our DEX and yield farm on Polygon network. And there was one more that I wanted to read here, right here. So we're thrilled to share a major accomplishment with our Polygon community. We now have 100 validators on board securing Polygon. This is a huge milestone in our journey towards decentralization, and we are extremely thankful to our community and validator ecosystem. So it's beautiful to see Polygon continuing to have new partners, new validators, continually expanding, continually growing. Every day we're hearing announcements on their Twitter. So I love to see it. Very, very strong project in my opinion, and I think all of you that are invested in Polygon should be happy campers. So let's get into the technical analysis. Now we're here on the 1-day chart, and we're still in our flag pattern here, our bull pennant. But we're making lower highs and lower lows. As you can see here, here's your high, here's your lower high, here's your lower high, here's your low, here's your lower low, and here's your lower low. So it's what I expected. Like, I did talk about us coming down to 71 cents, and we bounced right off there, and it looks like we're just rolling over, and we're allowing the 20 EMA to catch up on the 1-day chart. So that's what I expect is for us to come down to that 71 cents. So I'm going to show it to you guys on the 4-hour and then on the 1 week for Polygon. Yeah, so we can see here, I'm just going to move this up a little bit. You can see here we're kind of rolling over, right? You have a little bit of a double top here and you're rolling over. You broke through the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart and you found support on the 50. So I think we'll continue to kind of roll over until we find some support here at 71 cents because we're quite overextended. So if we were to break out more out of this wedge, it wouldn't be a good sign for Polygon because we're too overextended and then we would just crash hard. And if we look at Polygon on the 1 week here, you can see just how overextended we are. So we need to consolidate. As you can see here, we have a nice pump, we consolidate. So I'm hoping, and this is what I'm predicting, is that we're going to consolidate in this area of 71 cents. We'll come down, we'll find support, and we'll consolidate. I'll quickly put it onto the 1 hour so you guys can see it. Yeah, so what I'm hoping is we'll continue to consolidate in this area. We'll find support at 71 cents. We'll consolidate, and we'll go back and let our 20 EMA, the yellow line here is your 20 EMA on the 1 week. We'll allow the 20 EMA to creep back up to the candles just as it did here. You see how it creeps back up to the candles, and then we had our next kind of impulsive wave. So I want to see us consolidate in this area. So don't be worried if we come down to 71 cents. It's crucial that we hold that support though at 71 cents. Because if we don't hold support at 71 cents, then we'll break down and come down here to 55 cents, which is our previous swing high. As you can see right here for Matic, perfect example. We get overextended and then we roll over and we tried to find support, but we sold off and we came down and found support on the 20 EMA. And right now you can see your 20 EMA is just underneath the candles. So most likely what will happen is we'll find support at 71 cents and the 20 EMA will catch up. We'll use that as support and then we continue to trend back upwards. If we do lose that 20 EMA, guys, we will fall down to the previous swing high. Now, Ethereum is absolutely going crazy. We're going to quickly open the Ethereum chart because it's just absolutely on a just crazy, beautiful to watch pump. But we're here on the 1 day and you can see we're quite overextended. And it looks like we're heading for that $4,000 price target, which is just insane for Ethereum. But if we look at Ethereum on the 1 week, let's put it onto the 1 week chart. You can see how incredibly just overextended we are with Ethereum right now, but you can see it here too. We've been overextended like that, and then eventually we roll over. So if we make it all the way to 4,000, that would be incredible, and then we'll definitely hit some resistance at 4,000 and most likely roll over. If we make it all the way up to 4K, hit resistance and roll over and allow the EMAs to creep up. Now Polygon does move somewhat with Ethereum, but we're back here on the Polygon chart and we can see we are quite overextended, and now we're going through that little bit of healing process. So it's beautiful to see. I mean, we want to see it come back to the 20 EMAs. We want to see it fall back onto support, and then we can continue to trend upwards. We can see here on the 1 hour chart, we're trying to hold that 20 EMA and get back above it. We're holding the 200, the red line here, beautifully, but we are descending, right? And you can also see descending volume here. Let me show you guys. See a little bit of descending volume here. So as I've said, I'll quickly put it back onto the 1 day and then I'll finish up this little Polygon video to find support in this 71 cent area and consolidate just as we did here. You can see it perfectly here with our flag pattern. We got overextended and then we beautifully consolidated. This is going to be ugly. And then we broke out of our bull pennant. Right here is your breakout, and we just saw our next impulsive pump of about, I think it was over like almost 150% for Polygon. So it's awesome to see us holding support in these levels. Look for us to come down to 71 cents, hold support, let the 20 EMA creep back up, and hopefully let the 20 EMA creep back up on the weekly as well, because we're quite overextended on the weekly. And if I pull up the RSI on the weekly, you're going to see how overextended we are here. So this is the weekly relative strength index, and when you're out of this purple box, you're over 70, you're overbought. And you can see this big pump. See how overbought we are? And then we came down and we're still overbought, but we've come down and we're sitting at about 85 on the RSI. So we're still quite overbought on the weekly. That's why I think there is that possibility of coming down to 55 cents. I don't want to see it though, just because how overextended we are. Look for us to consolidate in that 71 cent area, and if we do break that, then we most likely come down to our previous swing high of 55. But Polygon's looking good. It's looking bullish. It's healing up on the daily. It's finding support. So just be patient with Polygon. Let it heal up. You don't want to see another huge pump because it would just crash hard. So it's looking good right now. Nothing to worry about, in my opinion. This is what we want to see. And I think there's a lot of growth potential going forward for our friend Polygon. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, it goes a long way if you smash that like button. And if you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on Polygon. I get to as many comments as I can. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. If you're new to crypto, check out the referral link in the comments. Why does my camera have to cut right at the end? Also, the Discord, over 1,000 members of like-minded investors talking all things crypto. All right, I'm losing it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Much love. Take care.